Your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. Now, if you've been seeing the message your account has been disabled, don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. Some of the most common reasons for your account being disabled include payment issues, security concerns, or terms of service violation. But don't worry, this issue is usually easy to resolve, so let's get into how to fix it. First things first, we want to check is our payment information. Sometimes your account gets disabled if there's an issue with your payment method, like an expired credit card or an unpaid balance. Here's how to fix it. Open settings, tap on your name, and go to payment and shipping. You might be asked to enter your Apple ID or Face Touch ID. Now make sure your payment method is up to date and valid. If you see any issues with your payment method, update it. Once updated, check if your account is reactivated. Now, if updating your payment details doesn't work, the next step is to contact Apple support. They can help identify the issue and guide you through the process of reactivating your account. Sometimes Apple disables account due to security reasons. Go back to settings and on your name, tap on your Apple ID and select password and security or sign in and security. Here, make sure your two-factor authentication is enabled and there's no unusual activity. You can also try changing your password if you suspect that someone else has accessed the account. And that's it. To sum it up, here's what you need to do if your account is disabled. Check your payment method, check payment information, contact Apple support if it doesn't work. Third, review your security settings and ensure there are no violations of Apple terms. I hope this video helped you fix the your account has been disabled error on the App Store and iTunes.